So our next topic is accounting as a source of information. We have to know that. We have to know next one topic is why accounting is important for us. हमारे लिए अकाउंटिंग क्यों इम्पोर्टेंट है, क्यों जो आवश्यक है. तो यहाँ अपने हेडिंग पढ़ रहा है अकाउंटिंग एज अ सोर्स ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन. व्हेन वी हैव टू मेक अकाउंटिंग प्रोसेस we have to get each and every information with the help of accounting. First one, provide information for making economic decision. With the help of that we have to know what is the information, we have to make it according to that our economic decision. इसकी सहायता से हम अपने आर्थिक जो डिसीजन लेना है, जो निर्णय लेना है, वो जान सकते हैं कि अभी हमें क्या डिसीजन लेना चाहिए, क्या निर्णय लेना चाहिए, क्या नहीं. किससे हम जान सकते हैं? अपने अकाउंटिंग इंफॉर्मेशन के द्वारा, हिसाब किताब के द्वारा. नेक्स्ट वन, सर्व द यूजर्स हु रेल टू द फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट एज देयर principal users of information. With the help of that we can able to serve who is the using these types of accounting information. With the help of that we can able to identify and give them relay with the help of this accounting information, otherwise principal source of information. Next one, providing information to judging management ability. With the help of that, with the help of information we can able to judging management ability is a very important part of that. With the help of that, who is the judging panel, they can get information from accounting. Once again listen, providing information to, ये इंफॉर्मेशन मतलब क्या देता है? सूचना, इंफॉर्मेशन, संदेश, जिसके सहायता से हम आसानी से जान सकते हैं. टू होम, to judging management ability. With the help of that, who is the capable for judging, means management ability, who have, they can able to know each and everything with the help of accounting information. Next one, providing factual information. With the help of that we can say that he is giving us each and every fact information. With the help of that we can say this is the correct information of the business organization. Next one, providing information on activities affecting the societies. With the help of that we can get information on activities which one affect the societies also. With the help of that we can able to know each and everything with the help of our accounting information. So the accounting information is a very important part. That's why we are making account. Okay, that's why we are making each and every company one accounting process, and we are putting one accountant. Once again, notation, providing information for making economic decision. Service, serve the users who relay the functional statement as their principal sources of information. With the help of that, second. Third, providing information to judging management ability. With the help of who is the, as this panel, they can able to take decision with the help of this information. Next one, providing factual information. Means we can say we are getting fact information with the help of accounting information. Next, providing transaction, providing information on activities affecting the society. Means each and every affecting parts we can able to know which will affect our society. We can know each and everything with the help of our accounting information. Next one, so these are the source. With the help of that we have to know each and everything. Next one, quantitative characters of accounting information. First one given here, quality you know very well. With the help of that what is the good character we are getting. आप सबको ये जानना है कि अकाउंटिंग इंफॉर्मेशन में सबसे अच्छी चीजें क्या है, सबसे अच्छी चीजें हम क्या प्राप्त कर सकते हैं. What is the quantity? Means first one is given here, reliability, relevance, understandability and comparability. One by one you have to listen. First one given here. आप कोई भी अगर इंफॉर्मेशन कहीं से पाते हैं तो उसे हमें ये जानना होगा ये विश्वसनीय है या नहीं। विश्वसनीय मतलब ये विश्वास करने योग्य है या नहीं। तो हम अकाउंट के द्वारा ये जान सकते हैं कि ये रिलेबिलिटी है, ये विश्वास करने योग्य है। इससे हम आसानी से जान सकते हैं और समझ सकते हैं। दिस इज द कैरेक्टर ऑफ अकाउंटिंग इंफॉर्मेशन। सेकेंड वन रिलेवेंस, ठीक है, प्रासंगिक। इट इज अ रिलेटिव विच ईच एंड एवरी वन, ये प्रासंगिक है या नहीं है ये हम अकाउंटिंग इंफॉर्मेशन के द्वारा जान सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट वन अंडरस्टैंडेबिलिटी, हमारे समझने योग्य है कि नहीं। विद द हेल्प ऑफ दैट वी कैन एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड और नॉट, अदरवाइज वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड टू अदर्स और नॉट। विद द हेल्प ऑफ दैट वी कैन से दीज आर द कैरेक्टर ऑफ accounting information. After that, next one, last, comparability. We have to know we are going to compare because we are comparing each and every one. We are comparing here and there, a one company to second company. That's why comparability is a very important part of the accounting information. We are going to compare each and every one with the help of these. Okay. That's why we are making accounting, and with the help of accounting information we have to compare each and everyone. Now next topic you have to write and you have to make a notes. It is a very important part of your education. It is a very important part of your accounting process. So dear students, you have to make a notes and continuously you have to prepare it. Okay, write it down. So before 1 minute just I have told about quantitative characters of accounting information. I have told about everything, but once again I am repeating with the help of this diagram. So you have to see and very clearly have to understand. First one, quantitative character of accounting information. With the help of that we can say that it should be decision maker. When our quantitative character accounting information is good, then we can able to make a decision with the help of accounting information. But when we have to make a decision, that decision should be able to understandability. We can able to understand. Means when we have to take decision, that decision we can able to understand. With the help of that, what is the decision? Is it useful for us or not? In Hindi calculation, अब हम इससे सहायता से ये जान सकते हैं कि अकाउंटिंग इंफॉर्मेशन की सहायता से जो भी सूचनाएं हमें प्राप्त होती हैं उससे हम जो निर्णय लेते हैं वो हमें समझने योग्य हो, या हम अच्छे से समझ लें तभी निर्णय को लें, और निर्णय अगर ले लिया तो हमें क्या फायदा है। We have to think about that. With the help of that only, accounting information is an important part for you. Otherwise, if you will not understand, that is a waste for you. Otherwise, listen, decision usefulness. After that, these are the three subparts: first, second, and third. Relevance, comparability, and reliability. Before that, I had told relevance. ये प्रासंगिक होना चाहिए. Okay. First one is the deductive value and feedback value. With the help of that, we have to deduct what is the value of relevance. Is it relevance to others or not, with me or not, with our companies or not. With the help of that we can get feedback also. This is a very important part of our accounting information. Feedback is a very important. So same one, next one is the timeline. With the help of timeline we can able to know each and everything. It is the relevance to each and everyone with the help of only timeline. If we will do any work on the time, we will get 100% satisfaction. Same comparability. When we have to take any decision, we have to compare it. We are comparing one company to another company, one organization to second organization. We can compare profit and loss. We can compare each and every year profit. Last year we had get 10%. This year 20%. This is also a comparability. With the help of that, we can know decision is the important part of us. Next one, reliability. This is the also important part for you. Verification, we have to know that we can able to verify it. Okay, it should be verified by each and everyone. Otherwise, who is the making accounting information? Otherwise, we are getting accounting information. With the help of that, we can able to verify. Next one, naturality. It should be in the proper way, and we have to know about its naturality. Means here each and everything should be in the proper way, not any fake, otherwise wrong value should be here. Next one, faithfulness. Each and every information we are getting through fact and full faithfulness. That's why we are making this accounting information. This is the quantitative character of accounting information. You have to write each and every one, and with the help of this heading, you have to make your notes. It's a very important part of your accounting information. In next class, when we have to meet, we have to start next topics. But after 2 and 3 class, we have to start questions. How we have to solve numerical. क्योंकि अकाउंट लगाने से पहले आप कुछ थ्योरी को जान लें, क्योंकि मैक्सिमम पहले आप समझ लेंगे तभी किसी क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व कर पाएंगे. Because class 11 is starting position of accounting. That's why I started from theory. Okay, dear students, you have to make a notes. Next class we have to start from next topic. After 2 and 3 class we have to start numerical, because numerical is an important part of that. Before that we have to complete theory. Okay, thank you all. Make your notes.